Hi, so for today's video, we're gonna be making labels and I'm in the kitchen because it's December, so I'm wrapping gifts. I'm doing all the kids' class gifts, their sports goodie bags and all of that. So today I'm making the labels for everything and Christmas cards too. So I wanted to show you guys how I made these custom photo labels for Christmas presents, or you can do whatever you want. You can put your dog on there, whatever. You can, I don't know, you can get really creative. But anyways, I make these kind of labels every year with my Cricut print and cut. And I think it's cute, I don't know, adds a personal touch and makes it a little unique, I guess. I also did my Christmas card address labels, but it has all the addresses, so I can't show you that. But I also make my labels using these Avery or 6240 labels, but it's actually use a template for 5160. And I just wanted to give you guys this tip because if you're a mom who has kids who you do like class gifts or sports gifts or birthday parties or anything, this has been a lifesaver. So I bought this at Costco. It's just a whole box, 140 sheets of these labels, and it was super cheap. I don't even know. It's like 20 something dollars, I think. And I've used this for years. I'm only now like kind of running out, but there's 30 stickers on each of these sheets. So like perfect for a sports team, perfect for, class. And I make these labels like for my son's baseball end of season kind of gifts, little goodie bags. I'll like put their logo or team name, and then just thanks for a great season. Applies to basketball, swimming, all those things. And just randomly, I bought these little boxes off of Temu. They're really cute. I love them. They're very sturdy, good quality. And I fill them up with like these peppermints. I know my kids love these kind of peppermints, so I buy that. Plus, like Hershey's Kisses fits perfectly in a box like this size. It does take a little bit of time to fold and tie, but I do like them. It's super cute. It has a tag, so you can write like from, your kids or whoever. So like for the sports, sorry, I'm jumping all over because I have so many random little projects. So the sports one, I made like it's winter season. So I just put like the sunflower seeds and some candy, and I just put the tag on to close the bag. And I wrapped some gifts. So I'll insert a photo of like a gift that I wrapped with the tag on it. Also, so you can see what it might look like and what size you may want to choose, depending on, your preference. But yeah, so hopefully you enjoy this. Hopefully this is helpful. So I apologize about the sound quality on my computer recording. I'm trying to figure out a way to record and talk at the same time, like do a screen record and talk at the same time and have it record. I've been using my AirPods, but it's not the greatest. But at least I don't have to do a voiceover. I'm gonna show you first how to make the custom photo labels. And the first thing you're gonna do is upload your image. So I'm gonna go to upload and upload image. I've already done the labels, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So I have my image here, and it's in JPEG format. So we're going to upload it. I do have Cricut access, so I can do the automatic background remover. If you don't, you can do it manually with this part and kind of just trace around, where you want to cut out. Or you could do it on another website that has free background removing. This is just easy for me because I can just do it one click. Yeah, okay, so this is the image with the background removed, and then you can preview it. It's not perfect. If you can see right there, there's like little holes in the image, but I'm not super concerned with that because I'm gonna flatten it, so I'm not gonna go ahead and fix it. But if you wanted to fix it, you could do it manually. The next step would be to apply and continue. And I want a flat graphic because I'm going to do print and cut. And I can just name my image and then put it in my folder and upload. Make this a little bit smaller. So depending on how you want to do your labels, I'm using sticker paper. My favorite J&J Packaging glossy sticker paper. And I forgot the print and cut image. Print and cut maximum size was like 6.75 to by 9 by something. I can't believe I forgot it. I had that memorized. But to maximize your sticker paper, I want to do 8 on one page. I don't want to do like 4 or 3 on one page. I want 8. The way to do that is to pick a sticker size that is going to fit. So this is a rounded rectangle. With the Access, you do have some other ones like this, which is really cute too. You can use. It looks very tag-like. My image, because my son's head is so much higher than my younger son's head, I need to do it long ways, I think, so that it fits. Or I just have to make it take one whole section on the side. So I'm not going to do that one. I'm going to do this rounded rectangle. So I'm going to make my rectangle 3 inches by, I'm going to deselect that and make it 2 inches. 3 by 2 sounds about right. I'm going to make it white so that we can see it a little bit better. And now we have to put the image in the box. I'm just going to shrink it down. I'm going to bring my image to the front so I can see better. So I'm going to put them in the left side of the sticker. Okay, so when you have your photo, you can select both, and then you're going to slice. And then you can delete the excess. And if you're happy with how that looks, we're going to go ahead and flatten the image. And then we're going to add whatever text you want. So I'm going to type Mary. And I'm going to choose a Christmas font. So I already typed in Christmas because I just did this. You can do whatever you want. I used this BFT Pepperminty. I probably downloaded this from like Creative Fabrica for free. So just use whatever you want. I'm just going to go ahead and size it. And then we're going to change it to print and cut. And then maybe make it a fun color. I'm just going to control or cut and paste the text. And I'm going to write 2. Maybe make this one green. And put that right here. Copy and paste it. And then love these guys. I'll put it right there. So you can do whatever you want. This is just what I did. And I'm just going to flatten the whole thing so that it prints out. And you can tell it's one layer when there's only one thing right here. Okay. So now I'm just going to copy and paste it, maybe 8 times because that's how many I want. Then I'm going to go to Make, Save. Okay, so that came out perfectly. I can fit 8 on this sheet. I'm pretty much maximizing the space on the sticker sheet. You can go ahead and make it smaller or bigger. Totally up to you. So then now we can go to Continue. And then go ahead and then print it however you print out your usual print and cut. You can use system dialog if you want. I'm not going to print it just because I already made my labels, but that's what you would do. Then base material, I just selected printable vinyl, this one. And that always works out good for the J&J packaging with my Cricut. And yeah, so that was super easy. You can save it and make like 4 sheets. I do a new one every year because the kids grow up really quick, but say you do your dog or something, or anything fun. You can really get creative with your image. So now we'll go to Avery.com and I'll show you how to make the simple printable labels. So I love this site. I always buy my labels from Costco. I use the Avery 6240 and it comes with like 100 label sheets. And that seems like a lot, but say you have kids and they're in sports or something, sports, school, like anytime you make like a goodie bag or, one of those things, you can just make the label really quick and print it out. Like I have my kids' ones for Halloween. I have my baseball ones. I have all kinds of stuff. Christmas, birthday parties. The best thing though is that I do it for my Christmas labels, and I don't want to do the addresses, but I save them. So I have Christmas label sheet 1, 2, and 3, and I just print these out every single year. I try to update it when I need to, but otherwise you just have your labels made for you every year. So I'll show you how to do this. Let's go to create a new project. So you can get whatever sticker size you want. I just always use this 5160, and it usually says on the sticker sheet. So they already have like a whole bunch of cute labels, but you can go ahead and make your own also. So you can browse through that. I'm just going to do the blank one because I'm going to do some baseball labels. I'm going to open a new tab and then type in baseball free JPEG. You can do digital art, images. Okay, so say you want to do, I'm just going to pick something random. I'll do this baseball. You can go ahead and drag your image and just, you probably want to resize it to scale, but since it's just a sample, and then add some text. And I usually put like, thank you for a great season. Love, whatever your kid's name is. And then resize the text box. And yeah, and so you can go over here and you can make a whole sheet of the exact same thing, or you can go ahead and edit one and then go through this. Like say you want to put like, thank you, coach, for one, and the rest like are the kids. You can go ahead and go into anyone and then change the text or a photo or whatever you want to do. And then after that, you can go ahead and print. And then it'll give you a PDF to print. So you just click this button, download the PDF, and then print it on your stickers. And this works out super good, especially if you have a Mac. I don't know, I had a hard time printing out these kind of labels with the alignment like in Pages and stuff. This one will do it perfectly because it's from Avery and they know the size of their own labels, so you don't have to even mess with that. So this has been a lifesaver. I've been using that one Costco box of 100 labels for like forever, but I'm actually running out soon, so hopefully they still sell it. I've seen it at Sam's Club too, and you can also probably get a big box on Amazon. I'll link that down below in case you don't go to Sam's or Costco. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you, especially if you're a busy mom that needs to make labels, or if you're a teacher, you got to make labels for all this kind of stuff. You can even make these labels for your pantry if you have like, you print them on like nice glossy sticker paper or something like that. So many options. They have these templates for pretty much all their labels. So they make really cute labels. If you go and browse the Avery website, they have really nice ones that you can customize for anything, your business, for your house. But yeah, thank you for watching and hope this helps you, and I'll see you in my next video.